How to upload products in bulk. Hello, I'm Sophia. In this video, you will learn how to upload products in bulk. Log into your Jumia Vendor Center account. Click on Add Products. Click on Multiple Products. Click on Type. On the drop-down, select Product. Click on Action. On the drop-down, select Download Template. Click on Next. Your shop name will appear. Click Next. Click on Category. Choose the category of your product. For example, phones and tablets. Click Mobile Phones. Click Smartphones. Click Android Phones. Click Select Category. Click on Export. Note: this will allow you to download an Excel file which you will use to upload your products in bulk. Open your downloaded file. The file has introduction, upload template, brands, categories, and options. Click on Upload Template. Fill in on the English column. Click on Description. Describe your product. Fill in the seller SKU and parent SKU. Click on Brand. Select the product brand from the drop-down. Click on Primary Category. Select Product Category from the drop-down. Fill the price and sell price. Sell price must have a start and end date. Fill in the stock. This is the quantity of your product. Fill in the variation depending on the sizes of your product. Note: the green columns are not mandatory, but fill in where relevant with your product. Upload your image. It has to be as a link. To create the link, search imgbb.com on Google. Click on Start Uploading. Select Product Image. Click on Upload. Copy the link as shown on the video. Note: Jumia only allows JPEG or PNG formats. Open a new tab and paste the link. Right-click on the image and open the image in a new tab. Click the link. Go back to your file and paste the link on main image column. Follow the same procedure for all other images. To add more products, repeat the steps. After keying in all your products, click on Menu, then save as CSV. Go back to your Vendor Center. Click on Add Product. Click on Add Multiple Products. Click on Type. Select Product. Click on Action. Select Create Products. Click Next. It will show you your shop name. Click Next. Click on Select File. Pick and drop your file. After uploading, you will see your file logs either in progress, completed, or failed. If failed, download error report to fix. If completed, view your products on Manage Products.